Unlimited samji, unlimited side dishes, at unlimited cheese ba ang hanap nyo? What's up mga Lodi? Lahat ng nabanggit ko, of course, meron yan dito sa Chef Baboy Unlimited Premium Korean Barbecue. At dahil sobrang na-miss ko na ang Sanggip experience nila, I decided na bumalik dito at sa Lazatin Boulevard, City of San Fernando branch naman ako nagpunta. Katulad sa ibang mga branches nila, iba talaga ang vibes kapag nasa Chef Baboy ka. Pagpasok mo pa lang, ramdam mo na agad yung energy, puno ng customers, amoy na amoy ang smoky grilled goodness, at syempre, lagi may happy face sa bawat table. Ako nga nakailang balik na dito at nakakatuwa na this is already their third branch na binisita ko. Walang nagbago, still at 649 pesos per head, sulit na sulit kasi unlimited pa rin lahat. Kung noon, 17 kinds of side dishes lang ang meron sila, abang ngayon 20 na. From the classic steamed egg na super soft and fluffy, to the sweet savory japchae, addicting fish cakes, crispy at flavorful anchovies, creamy macaroni salad, and syempre their newly added ones that are also a must-try, Asian chives kimchi, Korean radish salad, and the pickled cucumber. Meron nga rin itong kimchi rice, yes, unlimited din ito, pwede mo pang dagdagan ng toppings of your choice. Ikaw na ang bahala, make it your own version of your comfort food. This time, let's move on to the unlimited meat. You can choose from beef, pork, or chicken in 10 flavorful options. Merong sweet, spicy, smoky, and so much more. Tapos ito pa, grabe yung unlimited cheese nila, certified game changer talaga. Meron kang 4 flavors to choose from, classic, honey sriracha, chili garlic, or smoked barbecue. Tapos I also tried one of their a la carte add-ons, yung cheesy ramyun. In fairness, ang creamy, cheesy, at spicy all at once. Super comforting din nito lalo na after all the grilling. On my next visit, I'll definitely try the rest of their add-ons. But for now, I'm just here to enjoy this epic Sanggip feast to the fullest. And I'm sure natakam ko na naman kayo, kaya if you're craving for that sulit Sanggip experience, alam nyo na ang sagot, i-Chef Baboy mo na yan. Yun lang, thanks for watching, like and follow for more, and see you on my next bite.